This video guide will help you to remove the new ransomware type infection, which is called LeoxReans. LeoxReans is a ransomware that is able to damage the files that the customers store on their hard drives. My video will demonstrate to you what exactly happens when the ransomware affects the files. So it is clear that before the ransomware attack there are no problems opening any file types, such as pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other documentation. There are no problems at all. However, because of certain existing vulnerabilities, this LeoxReans ransomware may be injected into the computer. And then pretty soon customers realize that they cannot use the data anymore. This is because the ransomware has affected the files, and the files are now damaged and encrypted by this specific ransomware. So this is exactly what happens after the ransomware attack. The ransomware called LeoxReans encrypts the files and does not allow customers to use the documentation anymore. It also changes the desktop background into the black theme, and it also puts this special README file, and it says that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom to get your files restored. It also quotes this email address, leoxreans234@mailfans.com. So this is why the ransomware is called like that. And whenever you try to open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file. In my particular case, the ransomware adds this special GHFS extension, but I assume that this extension could be different depending on the specific computer. The pattern of how the file looks like after the ransomware attack is this. After the main file extension, there is some unique identifier plus the email address, and finally this GHFS extension. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution because this does not guarantee that your files would be restored. We recommend you to undertake the measures to remove this ransomware as soon as possible from your computer, and we suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. To download it, you first might need to use Internet Explorer browser, and you may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Go to this official page of Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware. Download Combo Cleaner through the special green download button. After the program is successfully downloaded and installed, start the program and begin researching your device. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Combo Cleaner has got its excellent anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature, however, is the part of the premium license only. So you need to wait a little bit until the scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus is successfully accomplished. The scanning might take several minutes, of course, depending on how infected your computer is. So at the end of the scanning, the program will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed, and you will be able to know the exact locations of these threats Based on this information, some threats can be removed manually, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium, and with the Premium license, your files will always be under the protection against ransomware attacks.